Agadon Erev Shabbos, this week's Parshas, Parshas Mishpatim. Parshas Mishpatim starts off, Ve'ela HaMishpatim Asher Tasem Lefneihem. So I wanted to share a thought that I heard from Rebbe from Goldberg. And he says that the first Rashi tells us, why are we starting with the letter Vav, which translates to and in this case? Generally we don't start a sentence with the word and. So Rashi tells us that the answer is because when it says Eila is pasal asarishayim, it's coming to really exclude what we had before. But when it says ve'ela, it's moisef al harishayim, it's coming to add on to what we had previously. And Rashi says that the lesson is maharishayim misinai af elu misinai, just like what we had beforehand was from Sinai. So too everything that we're going to say now in Parshas Mishpatim is also from Sinai. The lesson here, Rebbe from Goldberg says, is that until this point in the Torah, it's kind of the fun part of the Torah. Building our family, building a nation, building Klal Yisrael, story after story after story. Yetzias Mitzrayim, the miracles, then finally going to Har Sinai, the greatest miracle of all, Kriyas Yamsuf. And this part is kind of fun. It's kind of exciting to learn. But now we're getting down to the minutia. Now we're getting down to justice, court systems, eating kosher, not to lie, to deal honestly in business. This is our day-to-day. These are the things that we're going to have to carry with us. And Rabbi Ephraim says it's very nice to have the fun parts, quote unquote, of Judaism and the geschmacka parts that are so amazing, the tish, the farbrengens, the songs, the singing, the dancing. These things are all wonderful, and it's good to have them. But it has to lead to something. It can't just stop there. That's the vi. It has to add. You have to add onto it. You have to go further and carry this, not carry the feeling, but continue on with the real world. You can't just end there. You have to live your life in the Torah way. And that is Ve'ela HaMishpatim. That's what the Vav is teaching us. Yes, it's true. Har Sinai was amazing, but what happens when you come down from the mountain? Literally over in the case of Har Sinai, but figuratively in our lives. What happens when we have this geschmack, but now we come down? Can we take that into our daily lives? Are we dealing honestly in business? Are we speaking properly the way that we're supposed to? That's the ve'ela. That's the lesson that Rashi is teaching us. Ma harishayim misinai, af elu misinai. Just like beforehand, that euphoria that you may have felt was from Sinai, so too the minutia, the day-to-day living, the way that you're supposed to live as a Jew, that's also from Sinai. One has to lead to the other. It has to be moisef. It has to add on. They're not separate. You can't have one without the other. This has to lead to living a true Torah lifestyle. Have a wonderful Shabbos.